Opal has arrived at last. Okay, here we are. Oops. Yes, there are the 6 available ones. 6 little sisters. There's no best friend like a little sister. True. Any sister and brother. Oh my goodness. Well, she's a bit more smiley than I imagined she would be. I will have to try and get rid of those black lines. I'm going to try and remove them later in this video. Wish me luck. Right, let's get her out of the box. That's better. Opal is the little sister of Amaya Raine. And here is one of her big sisters. This is junior Amaya Raine. So yes, there's quite a big size difference. Yes, they look like sisters. Less makeup on little Opal, thank goodness. She has box hair. So it looks a bit at the back. So I'm just going to brush it through. Product-wise, no, well, there's a little bit of product here. So I'll see you in a bit. Once you start brushing, the hair product becomes a bit fluffy and needs a really good brush to come out. And perhaps a hair spa. Well, yes, she does have a rubber top, same as Daisy. If you want to make a fabric top, like Daisy has now, watch her unboxing video where I show you how to make a template to make a fabric top out of her rubber top. And you will be able to do the same with Amaya's. Here's Opal's artwork. It's very cute. All the Rainbow High Little dolls are for ages 4 and up. Here's a cute little pet. Sparkly, hard plastic. The head does not move. Very sparkly horn. This is really cute. I like it. They're painted on eyelashes. Here's a handbag, made to look like a beaded handbag. And they've done a very good job on that. You can put something inside. Something very small. Her shoes are Mary Jane's. Easy to tell the right from the left because they only have a buckle on one side. But it does say right and left on the bottom. And here is Opal. She has rainbow colours in her hair. The rest is white. Very pretty face, but no, I don't like those lines at all. I will try to remove them later in this video. The skirt fastens with Velcro. She has pale pink knickers with a scalloped edge at the top, which is very pretty. The front of her dress has a very pretty iridescent bow, and the skirt is made up of rainbow-coloured towel. Oh, there is an underskirt. Oh, it feels like proper satin. There's no hem, but the edge has been finished. Band finish, perhaps? Her hands are sticking up like that. Cutesy girl pose. Ah, she's very sweet. I've dipped a toothpaste into nail varnish remover, but this one does not have acetone. Well, I think it's smudging. Yes, if it's smudging, that means it can be removed. But I don't want to remove the lips. Or make a mess. Right, I might use a cotton bud, let's see. Not quite as precise as the toothpick, though. I'm nervous. The worst of it's gone. Let's get back in there with a toothpick. Oops. I'm working from the inside to the outside because I don't want to disturb her lips. So I get back in there again with a Q-tip, I think. Because what I should have had handy is a bowl of water to rinse it off straight away, but I didn't. Oh my gosh, it works. I'm going to get some water. Let's put plenty of water there. And this is a dry cotton pad now. I might have taken off some of her lip colour, but I don't have that anymore. Thank goodness. So first I'll saturate it a little bit with the non-acetone nail varnish remover. I'm glad that worked. Don't want to melt her face. Oh, I should have done that to begin with. Right, very close to her lips now, so I'll start with the toothpick. Oh dear. Also doing it with my left hand, and I'm not left-handed. Sort of scratching it really, from the inside to the outside. I'll show you what make nail varnish I used in a while. Right, it's difficult doing this through the phone lens, so I'm going to finish this by myself. That's so much better. I might have removed a little bit of her lip colour as well, but it's worth it. I'm so glad those lines are gone. Yes. Here's Daisy with her lines. And here's Daisy without her lines. So much better. Oh. They're very cute. This is the nail varnish remover I used. It's from Lidl and it comes in a bottle like this. But I really hate these pump action tops, so, you know, I might have bought myself a little bottle of rosé, drank it, and then took the label from this bottle and put it on here. Much better.